Alliance stations. This match begins in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to playoff match 4. Still in the upper bracket. Alliance 2 on a first round bye, facing Alliance 3 in the blue colors. High Definition grabbing a specimen from their observation zone. They've got 2 on the books, looking to make it free. Both Turtle Walkers and High Def can do that conversion and have 40 points on the board. 4 seconds remain in Autonomous, with 5 specimens each.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. 2 minutes of teleoperated control with a live score of 167 to 138 in favor of the Red Alliance, Alliance number 2. But there's still plenty of time, and that score is fairly narrow. The margins can be made up. Let's see what happens. A bit of a fast collision between High Definition and the Turtle Walkers. They're on the back side, and a bit of a rave going on with a color sensor for Turtle Walkers detecting the various samples in the submersible zone. They grab themselves a red sample, and after a little bit of trial and error, they get it to their observation zone eventually. Meanwhile, Minutemen, 24-131 on the front side. They're grabbing yellow neutral samples. That one happens to fall outside the field, but each one of these scored successfully, worth 8 points to add to their Alliance score and add to their lead. Droid Force at the bottom left corner of the field. They're grabbing those specimens prepared by the High Definition human player. Away they go with yet another potential 10 points, and they do successfully add those to their tally. They do now take the lead by merely 2 points, 257 to 255, with 42 seconds remaining. Still just a, well, okay, now a tie live score. Let's stop watching numbers. Let's see what's going on. Turtle Walkers puts up another specimen on the high chamber for 10 additional points. Minutemen, another sample, good for 8. Turtle Walkers back with one more specimen. High Definition, the back corner, they're going for 8 points of a sample. Minutemen deliver a sample for 8, but one drops down into the net zone for 2. They try to intake it back with 10 seconds on the clock. They give up on that notion and go for climbs. Red Alliance signed the robot in the blue ascent zone? No, okay, I think that's the blue robot. Never mind. Skits. Red Alliance, Alliance number 2, ultimately takes the victory, a 30-point difference. And we will see Alliance 2 again in the upper bracket, facing off in playoff match number 7. That is not the last of Alliance 3. We will see them in playoff match 6 in the lower bracket. But before we get to that, we have our first lower bracket match, match 5.